Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lauren. If you do not know me, and I create mommy vlogs, natural hair videos, and also just day in my life videos as well. So today's video is going to be a Christmas video again, but it's not going to be a haul or decor. It's going to be basically what I got my son for Christmas this year. So he is 3 years old and he doesn't know what Christmas is, obviously. So this is his first year actually kind of going through the phase of wanting things for Christmas. So I got that here, and I'll show you guys what I got. Most of the items I got are from Amazon and also from Walmart, but if you want to see what I got him, stick around for the video. And also let me know what you got your kids for Christmas, and also kind of what they're going for around the same age, 3 or 4 year olds, because my son, like I said, he's into a lot of stuff. But like I ask him, I say, Noah, what do you want for Christmas? He says, Christmas, snowman, snowflakes. So he doesn't really know because he's just a kid. So let me know what you guys got your kids for Christmas down below. But let's get into this video because I'm really excited to show you guys as well. Alright, so I'll go ahead and start with Walmart first. Just these two items because they're right here. So Noah's into like a phase where he wants to pretend cooking. So I got him this like little kitchen cooking set. So this is from Walmart, like I said. This was $15. It comes with a blender, comes with the like mixing set, all that as well. And also, also it does like a little sound for the mixing part. So I thought he would really enjoy this present because it's something hands-on. He also can get a lot of use out of that, and also he likes making stuff and building stuff. So I got him this little tool set for him. Same thing goes, you can drill stuff but not really drill it for his age. This is also $15 at Walmart. Those two are the only two items I got there. I got two other large items, but I'll show that at the end of the video because I gotta hide it from Noah, so it's tucked in his room. So I'll show you guys what I got from Amazon. So y'all, I did most of my shopping on Amazon because I did not feel like going back to Walmart, and just it was a lot. So I got most of my stuff delivered. So this is my first time actually opening the boxes because they've been sitting here under the tree and I just haven't got a chance. So let me show you guys what I got him. So I got him this PJ Masks watch. He's into that PJ Masks phase as probably any other toddler his age. I mean, also I hear about his PJ Masks and Cat Boy. So I got him that, and to match with his other cooking stuff is like his cooking like cutting stuff. Basically, it's like you can cut it with a knife and it gets split in half, but it's all like toddler friendly. So got that here for him. And also got a pizza right there. And then I got him this race car glow in the dark thing. So it comes with a car and also comes with a racetrack you put together itself. I think we're gonna probably set this up for him before he before he gets up, so it's easier for him to play with as well. That's the first box from Amazon. I got like 3 boxes here. So those are the 3 items I got from Amazon so far. And the next box is here. Oh, don't look at my address, y'all. Stalking. So the next box is here. So this is a Paw Patrol robot. I don't know how this even is a toy, but anyway, it's basically the Chase robot. You can build it together. Comes with stickers. It plays sounds. It does like clap motions, all that as well. And I kind of got it for him because one, he likes stickers and he likes to put stuff together. So I thought that would be a great little activity for him when he gets bored with his other toys, because y'all know if you're gonna buy all these toys for your kid, they get bored with it within like a day or two. So I figured that will probably last him, I give it a week and a half, give or take. So this is the other big box I got from Amazon. right here. So let's see. Oh. Alright, and I got him this keyboard set. I didn't go and get a huge one because he may not be into this, but this is fairly cheap on Amazon, and I feel like he's into the musical side of things. But I don't know, like I said, he didn't really say what he wants and what he gets. I kind of got different types of toys to kind of see what his liking is going to be, because he is 3. You know, he doesn't know what he likes, or he's not really into something. It's kind of like all over the place. But I got him this little keyboard that's just simple. It's an electronic keyboard, not really to it. And then, so I was hesitant to get this because I feel like it's gonna be a whole mess on Christmas, but I got it anyway. So it's like a Nerf Gun Station thingy. It's like basically put the targets up right here, and then there's 2 guns that come with it, so you can kind of like shoot at the targets, kind of like a state fair game, carnival game. It's kind of like that. It comes with everything included, 2 guns, and also comes with the like bullets as well. So I thought he really would like that, is just because him and his dad is into that type of stuff. So whatever. And then I got him a microwave set. This is going with his cooking items because Noah, he's into cooking. That's just his thing. That I know for sure, because he watches YouTube his own self, and the main thing he watches on YouTube is cooking videos with kids. And he always tells me, "Mommy, I want to cook, want to cook." And you see my last video, he actually did a pizza with me, like a DIY pizza we did together. So he's definitely into cooking. So I got him a lot of toys for that. And these are all like interactive toys, so they beep. They kind of like do the same thing as a regular appliance would in your own home. So I got that for him. I also got him a fire truck because he loves fire trucks, which mostly all boys do. So I got that. And then that's the last box. I have these 2 bags right here. So oh yeah, this is another little truck set, just because it was like maybe like $9 or $8, give or take. It's an LED truck set. It lights in the dark, and it's just 2 of them because I see at school he loves playing trucks with his friends. So I got that. So this is the last gift I got him as far as small. It's another gift I was hesitant to get him because I feel if I get it for him, he's gonna play it every day, and he's not gonna want to do anything else. But I got it because it's Christmas, you know. Gift. This is a gift. So it's an Xbox game. His dad has Xbox already. So it's a Paw Patrol game. Now, you're thinking, why am I getting a whole Xbox game for a 3-year-old? But mind you, Noah's very smart. He likes to play games. He likes to play his dad's 2K11 or 2K11, Jesus. 2K21 game by himself when your dad's not here. So I got him a game to play on his own, and that way he doesn't have to share. So got that. Now those are the last like gifts I got. I'm gonna show you guys because I said it is too heavy for me to carry out here to the front room. The big toy items I got him, it is a kitchen set and also a ride-on toy. So let me go and show you guys that right now. All right, so this is his kitchen set. You guys can't really see it this way, but it is basically just standard kitchen, play kitchen. It comes with a stove, comes with a oven, and it also comes with sounds and all that too. The click, all that. Got that from Walmart. It was on sale for like $58, I do believe. So that was a great price for him in case he grows out of it. I don't really have to worry about it because it's only like $60. And below that is his truck I got him. So this is a ride-on truck, and my son's 3, but he's actually built like a 5-year-old. So I got him this because all the other like small toys would not work his size. But this is a ride-on ATV. It goes 3 miles per hour, so we can right inside the house and also outside. So I think he'll love this. This is probably the best gift we think he's gonna be for him because he loves trucks. He loves to ride on stuff. He likes to ride on Koda. So I think that'd be great for him. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little video here. I hope you guys liked the items I got for my son. I hope it inspired you to get some items for your son or daughter. All the items I got, like I said, will be down below. And honestly, you can still get them. Even though Christmas is next week, I got mine from Amazon. And hello, 2-day shipping. You can still get it, sis, before the holidays. So go online and see what you can get before Christmas Eve. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.